In this video, we're going to learn how to set outlines for HTML elements. An outline is a line that's drawn around the HTML elements, and unlike borders, the outline is not taken into account in the dimensions of the element. And also, outlines are used to make elements stand out. Okay, so the syntax is pretty easy. So if we set that for Facebook, we're going to use we're going to define first of all a style using outline style, and let's go for solid. And then we're going to define a color for the outline, and let's choose a color to make this element stand out. So if we go for something like, that's not very, okay, let's choose something like that. It's not the best color, but anyway. So, and then we're going to define a width for the outline using outline width, and we're not putting values here, we're just going to choose thick, and here we go. So you can see the Facebook element with an outline outside the elements surrounding the elements, and again, it's not taken into account in the dimensions of the elements.